Now we are discussing about small manufacturing units. In that today we are discussing about ready-made chapati making. In the big cities there are a lot of people who are staying alone and don't have time to cook or don't have how to cook or they don't have permission to cook where they stay. Also both the spouses work so that they can earn more and live a better life. Ready-made chapati making is a very good option and a very good business will be there. And another thing is even continuous couples will be there. They will do their works very well. In jobs also they will do very well and cooking also they will do very well. But buying a home, being a human being, everybody will be getting sometimes weakness will come, some favors, frequent favors will come. By all these means also they cannot do themselves all things. That time these ready-made chapatis will be so much useful to them and it will recover their health also by this mean, because there will be no risk in this direct purchase only. So that therefore because of lack of time and other facilities, people order food from the restaurants. Roti or chapati is the primary diet for the most people in India. Thus people buy ready-made or pre-packed chapatis from the departmental store, which is half cooked. You can start a roti making business and sell them at a reasonable price. People would love to eat homemade chapatis. The business will need an investment of 2 lakhs if you buy machines for making dough and chapatis. And another important thing is in chapati making, local newspapers will be there. That is Eenadu paper will be there, Deccan Chronicle, and so many in almost all nearer to your cities and countries. Which is the popular paper that you take it and inserting pamphlets. So many boys, paper boys will be there. If you give some money to them, they will insert your pamphlets regarding your ready-made chapati making. Pamphlets are there, means instead of all the things address between contact number should be there. If contact number is there, if anyone is interested to take chapati, they will take a phone call and they will get to home. Home delivery should be there. Then if it is home delivery is there, means definitely the business will be successful. If it is long, means you can take some convenience also. It's not a problem. Customer always wants comfort. Then he will think about other things. Which machine is, next point is, which machine is used to make chapati or papad? Industrial chapati machine. This type of machine is operated automatically and is generally used for making papad. Which machine is used for chapati? Roti maker machine. Which is the best chapati maker? Best roti maker machine in India. Electrosky, electric roti maker. This roti maker from Electrosky is made from an aluminum body for quickly cooked round shaped roti. And iBell roti maker is also there. And the next is Bajaj Vaco Go Easy Chapati Roti Kakra maker. And Prestige stainless steel roti maker is there. And then Sunflame roti makers are there. So likewise in market, so many ready-made roti making and chapati making machines are there. You can purchase it, especially in India Mart also. If you see in browsing of India Mart, you can get your favored thing. Once if you are negotiating with them, they will deliver to your home also, but advance charges will be there, because machine means it is something big will be there, so that you can get with conveyance and delivery also. Delivery charges will be there. By that they will come and install it, and most of the things is getting machine is easy, and only one thing is your making chapati dough is there. That is, you should make very carefully with an expert person beginningly. Then only it will be successful to you to make it. And what is the cost of chapati maker? The price of chapati making machines products is between 74,500 to 1,90,000 rupees per price during during the September 2022. But means this varies from time to time. And which machine is used to cut vegetables? Melite vegetable chopper with 3 blades for onion chopper, vegetable cutting machine and vegetable chopper. These also you can use for chapati, curry and all these with these machines. Wishing you all the best.